Hey loves, I'm back with another video, and today I will show you how I installed these super easy kinky twists. I'm working on clean and blow dried hair because I want my hair to be straight for this hairstyle, and today's video is in collaboration with Trendy Tresses. I'll be using their crochet hair from their kinky collection to do the kinky twist, and this is how the hair looks outside of the package. It has a similar texture as Faux hair, and it was really easy for my hair to blend with the extensions. I divided my hair into 3 parts. I went ahead and did the back of my head, and that's how the hair looks so far. You can see how well the hair blended together. So let me show you how I installed these twists. So I'll take the hair and fluff it out first, and for each of my twists I'll be using 1.5 strands, and for some of them actually I just used one, so you can decide on which of the size that you want, but most of them I just used one. This is the gel that I'll be using today, so I'll just take a small amount and apply it on my roots, then I'll smooth it down, then I'll take the kinky extensions and place it on top of my hair just like that, then I'll start creating a braid. You can also try the rubber band method if it's easier for you, but if you prefer no rubber bands, then you can try this method. So after braiding a few times, that's how the hair should look. So right now I'm just separating those 3 strands into 2, so make sure that your own hair is in the middle, and that's the one that you'll be separating. So after doing that, I'll just start twisting till the very end. So you'll just continue twisting and make sure that you twist till the very end so that it doesn't unravel, and that's how it should look when you're done. So you can see how easy it is to install these kinky twists, so you should definitely try this hairstyle. And if you have Faux hair like me, then these extensions are perfect for you. They will blend so well with your natural hair. So right now just continue with the same process again. So I'll just start by creating a braid. So after braiding a few times, I'll separate those 3 strands into 2, then I'll just continue twisting till the very end. That's pretty much how I installed these kinky twists. So many of you liked the tutorial that I posted about mini twists, so I thought maybe I should create something similar but a little bit different. So here are the kinky twists. I'll show you again how I did the twist. So I'll start by applying some braiding gel on my roots, then I'll smooth it down, then I'll take the kinky hair and place it on top of my hair, then I'll begin creating a braid. Then after braiding a few times, I'll separate the 3 strands into 2, then after doing that I'll start twisting the hair till the very end. I ended up using 4 packs of the hair to get this full look, but if you want it to look less bulky, even 3 packs can be enough. This is the final look, and that's how I installed these kinky twists. All details of this hair will be in my description box, so make sure to check that out. The hair is from Trendy Tresses. This is their Faux Fro, and it's 20-inch long and in color number 2. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you do find this helpful, please give this video a like. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all on my next one.